Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at attributes, images, and links. So I've got this beautiful soldier from the game Call of Duty right here, and a link here to open Facebook, which obviously what does is open Facebook, which I do not want to show you guys. So taking a first look at attributes. Attributes are something which add on to the body of our add on to the tags of our HTML. So they're kind of like properties for our tags. So maybe I'll just give you an example with our anchor tag. The anchor tag or the A tag is used to create a link. So it is an inline container tag, so it needs to be closed. And we do need to and this the anchor tag is used to hyperlink any other page or website to our website. So when the user clicks on this, they will be redirected to that website. So that's what it does. So attributes kind of go like this. From the main name of the tag, we put a space and then write our attribute names. The attribute to specify the location of our document is href, and then like we put a value by putting an is equals to sign, and codes. We don't actually need codes, but in HTML5, but it is recommended since we can, kind of it is easier. So if I wanna kind of redirect to Facebook, I'll just put facebook.com, and inside here I'll just put Facebook. So what this would do is this would show me Facebook, what I've written inside this anchor tag, and it would when I click on it would take me to facebook.com, which is not working because this happened. It might work now. Yeah. So that's how you do it. I can write anything right here, like Twitter. If I write Twitter right here, the 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 user might even get confused. So yeah, you made a new fool. So yeah, that's attributes. They just add on to our tag. They are like properties and extra information. You can add multiple attributes, just to be clear. Yeah, that's attributes for us. Also, now let's take a look at images. Images can be defined by the img tag, and they do not need to be closed. They are an empty tag since we do not put any information inside the images. Let me just change this to Facebook. So yeah, to define the path to the image, we have the attribute of src, which stands for source, and we put the equals to sign, the quotes. It can be either single quotes or double quotes. I'll just go with double quotes. So our SR since the image is in the same folder, I'll just show you. Since the image is in the same folder, my file.html, this is our file right here, and this is our image cod.jpg. I don't need to specify a path, so I'll just write cod.jpg, and what this will do is load up my image. And but what if I want my image to be a little smaller? Like, I do not want my image to be like this, that the user has to scroll and stuff. So there are other tags, there are other attributes like the width attribute and the height attribute. We change the width and height, so I can just make it 500. And what this actually does is changes its width to 500 related to the pixels. So 500 here means 500 pixels, and it automatically changes its height also. I can put a custom height also. HG it is. I always get confused. I can also put a custom height like of 100 pixels. I got a CSS thing, so people will understand. So yeah, it looks really ugly, but still, that's how you do it. And attributes can be added to anything. For example, our p tag, everything attributes can be added to this. Also there are different types of attributes, like we can add an ID attribute, a class attribute, which you'll learn in CSS. We can add an HRE. Nah, I don't know, bro. I don't actually like most of all, like we can add a style attribute to anything to just style it off, but this is not actually recommended, since what the style attribute does is use CSS, and CSS is better off in external style sheets rather than internal style sheets and inline style sheets. But let's not go into that much detail. What we see right here is just that we have our image with the src of cod.jpg. Always remember to put the extension name and let it be correct. So yeah, I'll make it with 500. So you see, we don't need to put quotes around that. It works anyway. So that's my image, and if I have my image in some kind of folder, like inside this folder there's another folder, hello, and inside that is my image. What I'll have to do it like hello slash cod.jpg, so it still works. And if I remove the hello, it won't work, it won't show my image. There's also an alt attribute for our image, which goes like this, alt, which is just an alternate if our image doesn't load. Call of Duty. So if our image doesn't load, it will show up that, and if the image loads, what was our image? Hello, yeah, what was the folder? So yeah, it loads up, it's pretty good. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and the reason this I hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and the reason for the name of this video is episode 2.5, not 2, is that I'm recreating this episode because I think it was the previous version was ugly and it was too long, so I'm splitting it into two, just like the first episode. So I hope you guys learned and enjoyed. Goodbye, see you in the next episode.